Okay, student. Good morning. We'll start. Very less student. Okay. Today my target is 3.1, 3.4. So on the base of similarity, the base of similarity is what? When two triangles are said to be similar, when all three sides are in proportion and respective all angles are congruent. At that time, we can say it is a similar. First, very good diagram is given. So here 75, 75. This is common. X 75, X 75. The rest of is Y. Third example, third angle, for example. Now, in triangle big X, Y and 75, CAB, X, Y, D. Small triangle X, Y, D. In these two triangle, angle C congruent to angle C, common. Angle D means EDC. Each 75 is given. So two triangles, two angles are equal. So it's similar. By A it is. Now third. Again it is similar. PQR. ABC. This is 4, this is 8, this is 6, this is X. Okay, now in this two triangle, in triangle PQR and triangle ABC, angle Q congruent to angle B. On horizontal, these are the parallel ray of light. F means corresponding. Corresponding angle, short. Angle R congruent to angle C, each 90. Therefore similar. Therefore PR by AC, QR, BC. If triangles are similar, sides are in proportion. So 4 by 8. Remove whose mic is on. Remove. 4 twos are. And units are not given. So unit. what is given? This parallel to this. AR is equal to phi AP given. AS phi AQ given. To prove that SR phi PQ, this we have to prove. Now these are parallel, so x equal to x and this y equal to y and rest z equal to z, vertically opposite. So write in the form of x y z, x y z p q a. हाँ सर, हाँ सर, गुड मॉर्निंग सर. हाँ हाँ सर बोलिए. हाँ आइए ना. मतलब आपकी खुद की चाहिए ना, तो कौन से ग्रुप में चाहिए? 10th A में चाहिए आपको? ओके ओके. हाँ सर. एक्स वाई जेड पी क्यू ए. एक्स वाई जेड आर एस ए. Now x congruent to x, so QPA x ARS, y congruent to y PQA ASR. Z shape means alternate angle theorem. Alternate angle. F means corresponding, Z means alternate, X means vertically opposite. No need to take vertically opposite. Therefore PQA similar RAS. Therefore first second, first second, second third, third first. Now what they have given, AR is equal to phi AP. AR phi time of PA. So X Y Z PQA X Y Z RSA PQA RSA PQQA So first AR is equal to phi. No, something. This we will take. So AS is equal to QA will be same. AS means phi AQ is equal to AR SR. This cut, so it is 1 by 5 cross product. SR is equal to phi AR. Okay, so by A test, angle side of two similar triangle by substituting AS is equal to 5 AQ. Okay, cross product. One ratio is given, another ratio you are writing by taking cross product. This is parallel. This is parallel because it is a parallelogram and it is a straight. So you can see Z. What we have to prove, what is given? What lately? A, B, C, D is parallelogram. To prove that DE, BE is equal to CE, TE. Now this is Z, you can see Z. So X, X. This is also Z, you can see. And this is vertically opposite. So first quadratic A, B, C, D is parallelogram given. Therefore, AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC, parallelogram. Now, in triangle XYZ DCE, XYZ TBE. Now write pair which are XX only. So this I have written first. So X angle means CDE. X angle means T. Now Z DCE. TBE. Alternate angle theorem. Alternate angle theorem in exam you have to write full. Therefore, two triangles are similar by AA test. It is not given, so we have to prove. Now corresponding sides are in proportion. First, second, third, first. First, second, third, first. Correct? Now this sides are in proportion of two similar triangles. Now cross product CE ET ED B by cross product. So two triangles are not given similar. First you have to make it similar. Then read the question again, that you need ratio equal, you need product equal. According to them, according to that, no, question wise we have to arrange which will you have to cross product, which I have selected this because my all these four sides are in this. If it is this and this, it is C. So if at that time I will not take this. If I want DC to B, at that time I will not take this. So you have to write all three ratio. From that you will come to know that which two ratio you want and which two product you can do. Ninth one mark very important because it is overlapping triangle. BDCA given angle BAC congruent angle ADC. To prove that CS square CB into CD. Why today are very less student, all are sleeping in vacation mode. Okay, in triangle, single mark, double mark and triple mark. DCA. In full triangle, single mark, double mark, triple mark. ACB. Now, one pair is given, but I have taken this, so I will write ADC congruent BAC given and angle C congruent angle C common. Again I will write the name of triangle. By AA. See, this is very important. By AA. Now first, second, third, first. First, second, third, first. First, second, third, first. Now your target is AC square. So AC. So we will not take this. So ratio of segment of two similar triangle. So AC square DCCB. By cross product. So whatever you want, that you got. CD, AC square. See, very systematic. First you have to prove two triangles are similar. Then write the three ratio. From the question you will decide out of that three ratio in which two ratio you want to take cross product. Then page number 23, very important, that I have explained in different way. A ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of the square of the respective side. On that base only, 1.4 is given. Now 1.4. The ratio of two corresponding sides of a similar triangle is 3 and 5. S1, S2, 3:5. This type of the small sum, when I have explained the theorem, 6 type I have solved. But in that, given same question. If two triangles are similar, area 1 by area 2 is equal to side 1, side 2 square. So area 1 by area 2, side 1, side 2. Three threes are 9, 2 twos are 5 fives are 25. So area 1 is to area 2 is equal to 9, 25. Sides are given, you have to find out ratio of area. If ratio of area is given, you have to find out ratio of side. Okay, this type of one question they'll ask during the time of theory I have explained. Triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. ABPQ. It is given area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR. Eighty is to 125. Okay, sides we have to find out. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. Which side? AB and PQ. Now these are given 80, 125. Is equal to AB square, PQ square. So it is 5 into 4 into 4. This is 5 into 5 into 5. Cancel. So it is 4 square, 5 square, AB square, PQ square. Now we want AB and PQ. AB by PQ. Taking square root on both the sides. Taking square root on both the sides, you will get this. Now area of two similar triangle. Area 1 is equal to 225 centimeter square. Area 2 is equal to 81 centimeter square. Smaller side, S1 is equal to question. Among these smaller area is this, that for smaller side is S2. Smaller side is given, so for smaller area side will be the smaller. If bigger side is given, so bigger area, bigger side. First question we have done, ratio of side given, we got the ratio of area. Second example, ratio of area was given, we got ratio of side. Now in the ratio, out of 4, value of 3 are given, fourth by cross product we will find out, correct? So area 1, area 2, side 1, side 2, 225, 81. Here you have to write, if two triangles are similar, correct? So this is 15 square, 9 square is equal to S1 square, 12 square. By taking square root, it is 15 by 9 is equal to S1, 12. S1 is equal to 15 into 12 divided by 9. 3 3s are 3 4s are 3 1s are 3 5s are. It is given in the centimeter, so 20. Okay, so like this you have to find out 1 minute. I have to check. Now activity question 7. Only you have to fill the blank part. For each fill in the blank, you will get half mark. This much is given x, this much is given 2x, so this much is 3x. So that step is given. For that I'll write all given. PQ parallel to DE. Area of triangle PQE. This one is 20 units, square unit. PF to DP. PF to DP. Okay, now proof. DP is equal to X given. Given means in the activity you no need to fit this. Now you have to find out DF. DF is total. DP plus PF is equal to X to X. So total 3X. I'll write dot, which is activity question. First is given, second you have to write. Then again, two question. FDE is equal to how much? FED is equal to how much? Means congruent to what? FDE. FDE. This equal to this. Why? F shape. F. F means corresponding. So FPE, FPQ. This is activity question. Then FEQ, second to second. So this third is common. So PQF. Corresponding angle test. Reason also given. Now area of triangle that is FDE bigger, area of triangle smaller, PQF is equal to bigger, full bigger is FD, small FP, total is 3x, smaller is 2x, x cut 3 by 2. It is 9 by 4. But out of that, one area is given. Area of this. So area of triangle FDE divided by this area is given. This is activity question, this is activity question. Now cross product. Therefore, area of triangle FDE is equal to 9 into 20. This into this divided by 4. 4 5s are 9 5s are 45. Now total area is 45. The small area is 20. So from 45 20 we have to reduce to 25. How to write? Area of quadratic, this much part, DPQE, big area DEF minus small area FPQ. So this is 45 minus 20, that is 25. Like that. So you have seen that sometime area is given, you have to find out side. Sometime sides are given, you have to find out area. Sometime out of 4, 3 values are given. By cross product you have to find out the fourth one. For ninth B, I am trying my best of best, but sorry for 10th B, but students are